India's freedom came after decades of struggle. But freedom alone was not enough. A new nation now faced a question. How do you govern a country this large and diverse? To answer that, the Constituent Assembly was formed, bringing together leaders, thinkers, and representatives from across India. For nearly 3 years, they debated, drafted, and disagreed, examining every article and every power in detail. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, as chairman of the drafting committee, led the effort to turn ideas into law. The Constitution defined fundamental rights, equality before law, and safeguards against misuse of power across 448 articles. On November 26, 1949, the Constitution of India was formally adopted. And on January 26, 1950, it came into effect. India officially became a republic, a system where leaders are elected beginning with India's first general elections in October 1951, bringing representatives like Jawaharlal Nehru and Dr. Rajendra Prasad into office, where laws apply equally and authority is accountable to citizens. Republic Day marks this choice, a reminder that democracy must be practiced every day.